Yeah, we really like it. Thank you.
Set.
So thank you, Fibow, for this beautiful tent for my kids. So I'm so happy that you found our channel. Hello everyone, this is Mel from Mel's Canadian Vlog. Today I would like to show you guys our new product. This is a sponsor from Fibow. This is Princess Castle Play Tent that we would like to unbox, test and review. So come on guys, we will show you what's all about in this box. Alright, are you ready to unbox your new sponsor? Okay.
Yeah, pull. You got me the paper? Thank you. All right. Grab the handle. Grab the handle. I'll take the box.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready to open it? Find the zipper on that side. Oh, okay. Pull it. Pull it this way.
Is there a picture on the front?
Oh yeah, there is.
Yeah, you want to see the picture?
Can we show the picture first?
You want to show mommy the picture?
Yeah, turn first.
Yeah.
Okay, let's show mom the picture first.
Yeah, let's turn around.
There's the ball inside.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so this is the tent. I'm trying to find the top.
Other side. Up
I
here.
think this is the top. And then
No,
Other way.
I want
Okay,
to
it's okay.
build.
Alright, next.
I
Where's the ball?
want to
The ball, the ball. Get up first.
yeah, so that's the tent. Then there's
How many balls? Okay, show the balls too. Okay, put in the table outside the ball in the bag. Just get up, Jess. So you can see you, Jess.
all right. And pieces.
You have lights.
Nice.
She got lights.
And then the frame for the tent.
There's so many.
Yeah, this is frame.
I want
Okay.
this.
And that is everything in the
There's the ball. And a 10.
Does it have a picture? Can you see that one better?
Yeah. Okay, show me.
Okay, so here's the frame
Yeah.
and the connectors, and then there's
lights.
some lights. So I'll need 3 AA's. Nice. All right, let's go set it up.
How will I put this after?
Yes, we're putting that one after.
Both of you. Set.
Thank you, sponsor.
Thank you, Fibow, for
Thank you, Fibow, for
For the
the
sponsor.
All right, so we're working on the base of the tent, and so we'll be, when the package comes in, you'll be the two smaller sizes. One will have the tip already on, the connector, so you'll connect those two, and then that is used for the base. So you'll go to the base, and then you'll use the connector without the little tail. So there'll be three connectors versus the 4, which this part here will be for the top tent part. And so what you'll do is you'll connect this upwards, and then you'll pass. There's a little sleeve that you just slip those two pieces together. And then we connect. Alright, so one of the things that we found out that we made a mistake on, we fixed as we were doing, see how the bottom has to be hiding the connector there. So make sure when you're connecting these corners that this edge is on the outside, so it looks like that, as opposed to going from inside. Thank you. I'll just put that here for now. Yeah.
This.
No, not that one. I need the one with the little tail on it. You hold on to that one. All right, so now you'll connect the bottom connector, and you'll use the two longest pieces, and then you'll basically put this connector here with the tail like that, and then you'll use the medium connectors, 2 of them, to go all the way around. So this is the door here, and then so that, again, you're just connecting each corner with the same rods all the way around. So I'll point to the top piece here. All right, so then what you'll do is you'll tie up this 6-point for the peak, and then you'll use these rods with the connector already attached as the base. Just slide it into place. There we go. And then the smaller piece without any connector into each piece. So like that. And it just slides into place like that. Nice and easy. Eat. There we go. Go to the next
You
side.
trying to help Daddy to install, Jesse?
There we go. Oops. Nice work. Here we go. We finished it up. All installed now. So again, the base is the smaller unit, smaller connectors. Put those with the three-sided T, and then we put the longer pieces on the height, and then for the connector here there's a fourth tail, and that's to put the peak on.
Okay.
Once you have that, then you just hook up the included lights, and it's got 2 switches on it, so 3 switches, so it has either on or off solid, or the third setting is the flashing that you see here now. Hey Jazz, how do you like it? Side. Quick, quick, quick.
So this is the product from Fibow. So we just finished our installed. So I hope you can follow, because my husband who explained how to install this castle tent. So there they are. I'll check inside. Hi guys, hi ladies.
Thank you for the sponsor. We love it.
Jesse, what are you gonna say?
Thank you for the sponsor.
So for sure they're gonna enjoy it, because it's soon gonna be winter time, so we cannot really play outside. And for summertime, this is really good. There is a mesh, so no mosquitoes, no bugs are going inside. So these two are really scared with insects, so perfect for them.
Okay. You can't get me.
There you are. So this is the curtain that you can tie up as well. So it's beautiful. You can see. So if you're gonna play outside, you can put the curtain so that there's no bugs coming in. And if you're playing inside the house, or you know which one your preference. So it's beautiful here. So thank you, Fibow, for this beautiful tent for my kids. So I'm so happy that you found our channel. And there you go. We unbox, test, a review, and we really love it. And as you can see in our video, kids are having fun. Even me, look at that. My husband is here too. It's fit. So for sure, we can enjoy this for the whole winter. Yeah. And tomorrow we're just going to just add more balls so that we can have more balls in the house. More cluttered in the house. So there you go. It's beautiful lights there. So thank you very much. And I hope we can review more products from your company. Yeah, you like it, Jessie? It's beautiful, huh? Yeah, we really like it. Thank you.